Hello, this is Eric with Joe's Gaming Electronics, and today I'm going to be making a very simple video about an XM4 teardown. So I'm going to start this off with taking off the earpads. I will not be talking much this video just because we have lots of videos on our YouTube channel with much more in-depth explanations of any specific issue you might be having. This is a Philips 2.0. Silver screws are holding the cup in place. You can kind of pull it just like that. Take it off. Now I'm gonna unplug the battery. This is a solder iron. Just gonna wait for it to heat up. I would recommend you use pliers for this. Using your fingers is not the best decision because it's very hot and you can burn them pretty easily. Gonna use a heat gun to get this hot glue right here soft so I could remove it. Just gonna heat it up a little more. When I'm prying this up, I am using the little grooves that are right here. This groove, and this groove. These are the clips for the earpads. I'm going to have to loosen this one as well. That one was much easier. This is the speaker wire. So it is fairly easy to rip if you're not going to remove this hot glue that is right there holding it in place. Set this aside.
Hey, this is Joe from the Sauna. If this video brought you value, please support us by buying parts, tools, refurbished electronics, or sending your device in for repair so we can keep offering you free repair tutorials. Back to the video.
If you do have a hard time pulling these clips off, you could use a flathead and very lightly push up. It won't leave any marks as long as you do it light. If you're wondering, I'm screwing these screws back in because this part is super tiny and it'd be easy to lose those, and the hinges wouldn't really work without them. So it's my insurance. Now we are complete. This is an XM4 teardown. This is Eric signing off.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.